Hello, Lily. So we had some bad rain, didn't we? Look at that. All wet. We had some really bad rain. And wind. It kept me up. Bella! I see my Bella. Gotta get Jack more hay. Bella! Come on, Bella! Look at the mud. Bad. Come on, Bella. Hi, come on. It's a beautiful day, though. Not hot, not so cold. So what can I get myself into? Let me think. See the creek, and here's my fence line. That creek got kind of high last night. Crazy. There's like a hole. Let's see if y'all can see that. See that little hole? Somebody's living in there. I wonder if it's cats. Where is it? Now I can't find it. But yeah, it looks like maybe a big old something's sleeping in there. Look what I got. 4 in that one. None in that one. And this one's annoying me. She's trying to get those eggs. Goot! They are my eggs. Uh-oh, I am getting ganged up. Somebody help me. I come to check for eggs, and I went to reach in. She jumped up and pecked me. Stop. And look what I found. Startled me. She's in there. See if there's any in here. No. So she's laying on them. I need them. Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. May I get my eggs? I can't believe how much poop y'all have done up there again. I gotta get them like a little, what do you call it? She's gonna lay an egg. Looks like she's gonna lay one. No peck. Yeah, go in this one. Here. Go in that one. Go in that one. So how am I gonna get my eggs? Where's my eggs at, guys? I need them. They're all in there. That's funny. Maybe she's not done yet. Maybe I'll come back later. I'll come back later, guys. Everybody eating. I gotta keep them in here now until I can fix the fence on the other side of the property because Honey decided to jump it. Yeah. So they have to stay here for now. And then here we block this off. This is for the puppy and Bonnie to play. Because Bonnie's a escape artist, so she can't just be free, and I don't have time to leash walk her every once in a while, and they need time to play and romp. So that's their area, and then this is Fatty's area. Yeah, I put her in there with him for a little while, so you have company. But that's all they do, is eat. And over the weekend, it's poop cleanup. Used to have a lady who'd come and get some of it. She liked it for her garden, but she had to come around. And there's Crazy, Bella, and Annabelle. And I haven't checked the eggs yet because I've noticed that if I do it too early, they lay more. So I'm going to wait until about 2 or 3 in the evening, then go check them. There's 2. And this one, hello, I need you to like move. Look, 2, this one. Let's see if the other one. I wonder why they're not using this one yet. Maybe it's just not time. Hello, guys. What you doing? Hmm? Thank you for the 4 eggs. Very windy here. Very. But a pretty day. But it seems like that to get a pretty day, you have to deal with wind. I made popcorn last night and then changed my mind on it. So I'm going to go gave some to the birds and give some to the goats. Been a very exciting 2 days. Late last night, I decided to go out and by giving the animals some cookies, animal cracker cookies. And I could hear Honey way off, and I was like, she's not here, something's wrong, because she likes to eat. So I saw her beady little eyes way over, and I started freaking out because she had gotten over the fence into the neighbor's yard. So I had to try to coax her back over last night. Then, while I was sleeping this morning, I don't know why my husband couldn't hear it, because he was up already. But I heard a goat making noise really loud. So I looked out my bedroom window, and Star there, the little one, I could see part of her body, and it wasn't moving. So I came running out here. Cloudy eyes, couldn't barely see yet because I just opened up my eyeballs, and she was stuck in the fence, her head. So I sat over there trying to get her head out of the fence. Then, it comes in threes, right? Then, let me go check on my jacker poo. Then my daughter comes into the office and she looks out the sliding glass door and goes, "Is that the goat got something wrapped around his throat or his neck?" So we went out there, and Ramsey had taken the hay net and it was hanging him. So we had to get him undone. So it's been a very exciting, stressful time. But it came in 3, so hopefully that's it. Yep. What you doing, Jack, besides making a great big hay mess? See what I did? I blocked this part off, and you open it right here to let Jack out, so that we're going to try it over here to put Kane and what's her face, Bunny. I said, what's her face? Bonnie over here to see if they will stop escaping. So yeah, it's always something around here. And there's my little Bella. Bella. But yeah, very excitement, I guess you could say. So yeah, it's been an exciting day. And here comes my Shadow, thinking she's gonna get more food. I'm putting her on a diet, putting her in getting her own little hay bale basket or whatever you call it, and so she can't eat all that hay. Just walk away from me, because I'm tired of her eating. Don't you give me the tongue. You stick your tongue out of me. Huh? Huh? Go get you some water. Eyes need to be cleaned again. Alright, I'm going in. Come on, Bella. I got stuff to do inside. Come back out later and check the eggs, because I've noticed that if I check them too early, I don't get them all. Cat's up there. Look how bad that porch looks.